So most people solve this question like 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. Then 3 multiplied 2 is equal to 6. Now 8 divided by 6 is equal to 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4 and 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. So 4 upon 3. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS, first priority is parentheses, then second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Near multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. In this question, we have one subtraction, one division, and one multiplication. So multiplication and division have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division. Okay, is equal to 14 minus, now 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2 multiply 2. Now here we have one subtraction and one multiplication. So first priority is multiplication. Is equal to 14 minus, now 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4. So 14 minus 4 is equal to 10. So the correct answer is 10. Okay.